You are being sold a lie about artificial intelligence. A lie told by the gatekeepers in their digital ivory towers. They tell you their closed black box models are for your safety. They claim this technology is too dangerous for you to control, but safety is just a marketing term for control. They want to be the single choke point for all human information. They want to decide what you are allowed to think, create, and say. This is the new face of narrative control. Then they try to trick you with something called open washing. A corporation will release a powerful model and call it open source. But you must read the fine print in their restrictive licenses. These licenses include acceptable use policies that restrict what you can use it for. They include clauses that discriminate against who can use it. They withhold the most critical component, the massive training data. This isn't open source. This is a marketing strategy. It's a digital leash disguised as a gift. The real revolution is happening in the shadows of these corporate titans, a revolution built on true open source principles. This revolution isn't about asking for permission. It's about seizing the tools of liberation for yourself. So what are these tools? How can you, as an individual or a small business, break free from the gatekeepers? First, you break free from the per-token prison. The closed model giants lock you into high, unpredictable API costs. You are a digital tenant, paying rent to access your own data. The open source way is the path to ownership. You can self-host a state-of-the-art model on your own infrastructure. Your data stays with you. Your privacy is absolute. You achieve true digital sovereignty. The hospital can fine-tune an open model on sensitive patient data inside its own secure local environment. This is a critical capability that is impossible with a closed external API. That same power is available to you, and the tools are more powerful than you've been led to believe. The open washing by Meta with its Ollama models had an unintended consequence. It created a dynamic platform that a global community could build upon. Then, in August 2025, the closed champion OpenAI made a stunning countermove. They released their own open weight models, GPT OSS 120B and GPT OSS 20B, and they released them under the truly permissive Apache 2.0 license. This was a direct blow to Meta's restrictive walled garden. It was the ultimate jailbreak, sanctioned by the jailer itself. These models are not toys. The Llama 4 Scout is a frontier model that runs on a single GPU. The GPT OSS 120B also runs on a single GPU. This has, for the first time, made self-hosting economically viable for everyone. The power of a data center is now available on your desktop. The European champion Mistral builds its entire community by releasing powerful Apache 2.0 models. And a parallel ecosystem has emerged from China, focused on pure performance and cost efficiency. DeepSeek AI offers a family of models that are cost leaders, perfect for a startup, a small business, or a single developer. Alibaba's Qwen 2.5 is a multilingual master, breaking the English-centric grip of Western AI. But the true liberation is found in the specialized tools. These are the weapons that directly replace the services you pay for. Need to digitize documents? Forget paying for an OCR API. You can run DeepSeek OCR or Baidu's Paddle OCR VL for free on your own machine. Want to generate images? You don't need a lobotomized corporate generator that censors your prompts. You can run Stability's Stable Diffusion 3.5 or Tencent's Hunyuan World Mirror with total creative freedom. Want to generate video? You don't have to wait in line for Sora. Alibaba's One 2.2 is the industry's first open-source video generation model with a mixture of experts architecture. It democratizes high-end video generation today. Even the most complex domains are being liberated. When Google's DeepMind tried to close off its new biology model, AlphaFold 3, The community responded. Researchers at MIT released Boltz-1, the first fully open-source model to match AlphaFold 3's accuracy. It instantly re-democratized an entire field of scientific discovery. Stanford's EVO2 lets any researcher write new DNA sequences. NASA's Prithvi model lets anyone run high-resolution climate simulations. This is the truth. The risk the gatekeepers warn you about is not the risk of harm, it is the risk that you will no longer need them. The risk that you will have permissionless innovation. The risk that you will build tools they would never allow. The risk that you will run models that aren't censored by their corporate safety committees. The real danger is a future where a handful of corporations control the repository of all human knowledge. The real danger is a future without cultural diversity, where all AI reflects a single, centralized set of values. The old war of open versus closed is over. The new war is within the open weight category, a war fought over permissive licenses, verifiable safety, and computational efficiency. The future of AI is not a closed proprietary black box. The future of AI is open, hybrid, and decentralized. The truth is that open-source AI is the single greatest engine for individual empowerment, sovereignty, and freedom the world has ever seen. It is the master key to breaking the digital shackles. The only question is whether you will have the courage to pick it up and use it. The tools are here. The revolution is now. If you are ready to declare your own digital independence, join the Freedom AI Solutions channel. Subscribe and help build the parallel system. So, how do you actually build this system? How do you seize these tools? How do you install this freedom on your own machine? It is not the complex command line nightmare the gatekeepers want you to imagine. The community of liberation has built simple, powerful launchers. First, you need to know where to find the models. The central hub for this revolution is a place called Hugging Face. Think of it as the decentralized armory. It's where developers and researchers from all over the world publish their work. This is where you find the real open source models. The models from DeepSeek, the Qwen models from Alibaba, the Ollama models from the community, the Mistral models from Europe. But you don't need to download them manually. You use a launcher application that does the work for you. For Windows, Mac, and Linux, one of the best is LM Studio. Another powerful cross-platform option is called January. And for Mac and Linux users, a tool called Ollama is incredibly fast and simple. These applications are the front door to your digital sovereignty. The process is simple. You download and install one of these applications, like LM Studio. You open it. You will see a search bar at the top. This is your gateway. Now, ignore the mainstream recommended models. You are here for the real power. In that search bar, type DeepSeek. The application will search the Hugging Face armory for you. You will see a list of models, like DeepSeek Coder V2 for advanced programming, or DeepSeek V3.1 for powerful, efficient chat. Next, in that same search bar, type Qwen. This is Alibaba's powerful model family. You'll find Qwen 2.5, the multilingual master that breaks the English-centric internet. You will see files ending in the letters GGUF. This is the magic file format that allows massive models to run on your local computer. You will also see quantized versions. These are files with names like Q4_K_M or Q5_0. This means the model has been compressed and optimized. It is specifically engineered to run at high speed on consumer hardware, on your laptop, on your gaming PC. The power of a data center is now yours. You find the model you want. You click Download. The model is saved only to your computer's hard drive. It is not sent to a cloud. It is not analyzed by a corporation. It is yours. Once downloaded, you navigate to the Chat tab. You select your new locally hosted model from a simple drop-down menu, and you begin typing. That is it. You are now running a state-of-the-art AI, completely offline. No corporation is logging your queries. No safety filter is lobotomizing your answers. No one can censor your thoughts or your creations. Your data is yours. Your privacy is yours. This is not a service you are renting. This is a tool that you own. This is the first step. This is the practical, achievable, real-world application of digital freedom. Now go on that journey to take AI sovereignty back into your own hands. This is Freedom AI Solutions. If you're passionate about artificial intelligence and open source tech, you're in the right place. Please subscribe and spread the benefit.